Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Pop Mart error 500. Let's get started. What causes error 500? This is a server-side problem, usually caused by overload during limited edition releases or special events. But don't worry, here's what you can do. First, sometimes the only solution is to wait a few minutes and try again. Also, check Pop Mart's official Instagram or WeChat for any downtime updates. Next, open the Pop Mart app or website. Sign out completely and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can clear corrupted login data that causes the error. If you're using the app, go to its settings and clear the cache. If you're using a browser, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to choose All Time as the time range. Check browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Click Clear Data. If the error still appears, scroll down in the app or on the website and tap Chat with us to contact Pop Mart support. You can also send them an email for direct help. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick fixes like this one. Thanks for watching.